Good day, Ma'am Maria. Today I will present my Java program called To-Do List Manager. This program is a simple console-based application that helps user manage their daily tasks. It allows the user to add tasks, view saved tasks, search for specific tasks, and delete tasks when they are already completed. The program uses Java file handling to store tasks inside a text file, which means the tasks are saved even after the program is closed. It is also uses method, loops, conditional statements, and exceptional handling to make the program organized and functional. Now let's proceed to the explanation of code. So first things first is the import statement. So IO used for file handling like reading and writing files. Then import. The scanner used to get users input from the keyboard. Now let's add the class declaration. This is the main class of the program named To-Do List Manager. Then the scanner and file name. Let's put the static scanner. Static scanner is equal to new scanner system in then semicolon. The next is static string. Static string file name is equal to task.txt. Then the scanner reads user output, then the file name stores the name of the text file where tasks are saved. The next is the main method, which is the public static void main string args. Then so the main method is the starting point of the program. So let's do the menu display. We're going to use do while loop, so the menu keeps showing until the user chooses exit. So do then first system that out that print ln this and 1 2 3 4 to-do list. Good. Manager. No. Manager. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then simple. The next system dot out dot print ln. Number 1, add task. Then system dot out dot print ln. Number 2, view task. Then system dot out dot print ln. Number 3 will be search task. Oh, wait. Search task. Then number 4 dot out dot print ln. Number 4 will be delete task. Thank you, Lord. System dot out dot print ln. Number 5 will be exit. Then for the last one, system dot out dot print then exit. I mean enter a choice. Enter a choice. Okay. Now next is the users. We're going to put the user choice. So we're going to choice is equal to scanner. Choice is equal to scanner dot next lnt dot semicolon, then scanner dot next line. Pues, this is scab na. So the next LNT gets the menu choice, then kaning next line clears the new line character. So turn out to the conditional statement, which is the if else conditional statement. The program check what option the users be selected. So mabutan diri F, then choice, then equal to 1, then open curly braces, like add task. Okay, perfect. Dayon mag else if na dayon ta. Else if choice to view tasks. The next else if as if choice equal to 3, then search task na rin. Search task. Is that then another else if na pod for delete task. Else if choice katulas then delete task. Then next else if choice number 5 choice number 5 mag-system dot out dot print ln na to dere ln dayon program excite then semicolon then mag else na dayon else system dot out dot print ln invalid choice. Then invalid choice, then ano dayon mag-while while choice 5 then semicolon then mag scanner dot close then closing bracket. Okay, so next is magbutang na tag method. So maggamit na ta o public static void may public static add task dayon open curly braces. So this method adds a new task to the file. So mabutang na to diri og tong file writer kanang ma-open siya sa file. So butang to file writer equals new file ay, file writer const file name, then true. So this opens the file, then true means append mode, so the new tasks are added without deleting old tasks. Then mabutang na din to sa iyang system.out.println print. Yeah. Enter task na dayon. Lo. Enter task dayon. String task dayon is equal the scanner dot next line okay. So kaning string task gets the task from the users. So, yes. Then mag-add na ta sa mag-add na ta sa writer dot write task plus and then semicolon. Writer dot close dot. So this writes the task into the next text file. Mano siya kaning writer. Ano na siya diri? Let me delete this. Dapat na siya diri. Oops. Na. Okay, perfect. Next is another method displayed so that all the tasks must save siya. Okay, magbutang ko og system.out.println then task saved successfully. Yeah, that's it. Then semicolon. So butang pa og braces and catch ba yan? Catch na IO exception E dayan system.out.println sorry ma'am, na distract ko sa akong sa iring error saving task na dayon. Then the kuan dayon, the semicolon dayon closing curly braces then. Okay, so next will be another another method na po, public static void view task, then curly braces, then import, try, then magbutang na ta sa file reader and buffered reader. So, used to read the file line by line. Used to read the file line by line. So, file reader, another file reader is equal to new file reader. File name, then buffered na din, buffered reader is equal to new buffered reader, then file reader perfect. Next, string task. Diyan ako siya lagyo ma'am kay maguba iyang code. Like mahang na po. Then system dot out dot print ln and then task list na din niya. Okay, then semicolon na dayon. Then magamit na ta og while. Wow, this one. While task is equal to reader dot read line another system dot out dot print print ln plus task semicolon then. Okay, next magbutang na dito sa reader dot close then catch IO exception then another system that out that print ln that Uy, okay. Okay, next is public class. Wala na putag another method. Class ay public static void search task. Pause. Then try. Nagbuo siya broken. File reader. File reader is equal to new file reader. File name next is buffered reader. Buffered reader is equal to new buffered reader. File reader. File reader. System dot out dot print ln next string keyword. No, banana keyword is equal to scanner dot next line next string task. So maggamit ito boolean dire if it is true or false. Kani siya kay false ni siya. Then while ta dayon task is equal to reader dot read line is equal to null. 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 Okay. Next, magkuha na tag if task that to lowercase that contains keyword dot to lowercase to then abbreviation close parenthesis the system dot out dot print found class task then found is equal to true. I found siya, mag-true siya. Then, why? Right. Next, if found system dot out dot ln task not found. Close parenthesis. Right, then reader magbutang lang ta og reader dot close semicolon then another catch IO exception E then kanin ito sa system dot out dot print and then the error na dayon error reading file. Okay, so next is magkuha na din ta sa public static void, another method na word static void public static void delete task na din delete task try gusto din siya may ano siya mag-reflect dugay na ko ayo bit alak balok ko kabalog nga ni mukalit siya nga niya say kay mulag na dito siya first try na kaming lag siya nawala akong gicode sayang ka ayo nabalik na Lord kapoy kayo sige akong file input file is equal to new file dayon file name na dayon and semicolon then another file input temp na din temp file is equal to new file letter dayon temp.txt. Alright, so next will be buffered reader. Kaya naman siya sa pilas. Buffered reader. Then reader is equal to new buffered writer. Nga na lang nila ko i-fix, ma'am, if like mananajud ko. New buffer, new file reader, then input na dayan. Input file, then semicolon, then another buffered writer, then writer is equal to new buffered writer. Wala wrong din yung reader din siya. Ay, wait. Reader din siya. Reader is equal to new file reader. New file reader. Then sa buffered writer, new buffered writer na code. Okay. Then new file writer, then file then system.out. Oh no, system.out.print enter task to delete. String delete task, string delete task is equal to scanner dot next line. Then string task. Okay, magkano ta sa boolean na lang ta. Boolean found is equal to false. Then while task equals reader dot read line. Is equal to null. Then open curly braces. Bakit? Then if found siya, Hindi mo siya o true. Then, mo continue na dayon. Continue na dayon. Then, okay. Okay, so magkuha na rin ito. Magbutang na rin ito sa writer. Right. Look. Right. Task plus okay, happy to guys. Reader dot close, then writer dot close. Input file dot delete. Canada and temp file dot rename to input file. So if found lo pag binuo ang system please. System dot out dot println. Lord, ang tawag din mo ko. Task deleted successfully. Okay, that's it. Ay, hindi siya pagkakuan. Dapat siya okay. Then, mag-else na din to dire. Else, then, close friends. Bakit naman? System dot out dot println task not found. Ano to? Task not found dot right. So, magbutang tao kanda closing bracket dayan. Kuha dayan catch IO exception hello, fit ka na buwan. Huwag kang magbuang, please. System dot out dot println is error deleting task then semicolon then ding lo uy, wag kang mabuang. Then last ding. Okay, let's see if mo run siya. Number 1, add task. Sa jogging. key. Na-add na siya. Then, ato sang i-search. Jogging. Puso na siya. Then, ato na po siyang i-delete. Atong i-delete ang task nga jogging. Yay! Successfully deleted. Then, exit na din ta. Then, program finished. That's it. Thank you.